Hello students, hope you all are doing well and taking precautionary measures against coronavirus. I hope you all have understood and enjoyed my last video of chapter number 1. Today we'll study chapter number 2, that is numbers from 1 to 10. In this chapter we will learn the numbers from 1 to 10, how to find out which number comes after, before and between the given number, and how to use the symbols of greater than and less than. So let's start. Firstly, we'll count the numbers from 1 to 10. So let's count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. I hope you all have counted with me. Now your homework is to learn and write them in your notebook. Now our next topic is just after, just before and between. So let's understand what do we mean by after numbers. So when we count forward from a given number, we get the numbers after. Let's see. Suppose we have 3 numbers, 2, 3, 4. Now when we count forward from 2, we'll get 3 and 4. These all are numbers after 2. The number which is just next to 2, that is 3. This number is the number after 2. मीन्स जो नंबर 2 के बिल्कुल बाद में है, बिल्कुल बाद में आता है, वो नंबर उसका जस्ट आफ्टर नंबर होता है. लाइक जस्ट आफ्टर ऑफ 2 इज 3. Now let's take one more example. I'll write again 3 numbers, 6, 7, 8. Now let's count forward numbers from 6. That is 7, 8. So these all numbers 7 and 8, these are the numbers after 6. When we'll count forward one number from 6, that is 7. This number is just after 6. Means when we'll say the number that is just after 6 is 7. Now let's see 2. The before numbers. When we count backwards from a given number, we get the numbers before. So let's take one example. So let's count numbers backward from 8. 7, 6, 5. Yes, so all these numbers are numbers before 8. Now when we will count backward one number from 8, we'll get 7. That is the number just before 8. So that means जब हम backward counting करते हैं और गिवन नंबर के जस्ट पीछे वाले नंबर जो होता है वो वाला नंबर हमारा जस्ट बिफोर नंबर होता है. सो लेट्स टेक वन मोर एग्जाम्पल एंड सी. So let's count backward from number 5. 4, 3, 2, 1. All these are numbers before 5. But when we say just before 5, the answer would be 4. I hope you all have understood this. Now we'll understand what are between numbers. So the numbers that comes between two numbers are called between numbers. Means जो नंबर दो नंबर्स के बीच में होते हैं वो नंबर हमारा between नंबर होता है. Let's see with an example. Now when we'll see the between number is 3. It is the number between 2 and 4. So अगर कोई आपसे पूछे कि इसमें से बिटवीन नंबर कौन सा है, 2 और 4 के बीच में नंबर कौन सा आता है, तो वी विल से 3. Now let's take one more example. Six, 7, 8. So the number between 6 and 8 is 7. So that's all for today. I hope you have understood what are just after, just before and between numbers. We will do this exercise in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home. Bye bye.